All right, so as you guys know, we got the RS2. We've been kind of working on it, revamping it, and the front bumper, as you know, is kind of beat up. So we went over to A+ Collision Center, talked to Abe, and he was able to help us out and help us get our new bumper painted. So this is our front top bumper and our new lower lip that we just got painted and we just picked up today from the shop. So what we're gonna do is, it's actually two pieces and we're gonna put them together and we'll get it installed into the car. All right, now normally when you start on the front bumper, first thing you're gonna wanna do is on the sides right here, there's gonna be screws holding these two pieces together. And on the bottom of the front bumper, depending on how new your car is and how much it was messed with in the past, you may have it's called like a kind of like a dirt guard underneath there. It's basically a plastic cover. And if that's fully intact, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, I believe, on the bottom that you'll need to take out first. Okay, so you have the 2 screws on the side, and it's like the 6 or 7 bolts on the bottom. That one's out. That one's out. Okay, that one's out. Then up here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna need to take the grill off. There we go. And that comes out just like that. That's one. This is not the right style that's supposed to be in here, but I broke one, so this is what I put in here, and it is snug. Harder to get out. There you go. Okay. All right. So now this should just pop right out, just like that. All right. Now our grill is out. Okay. So now up here you can see there's 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. We only have 2 because one of them's gone, but I believe this is a 10mm. Yep. Two. Just like that. And then on this side over here, just want to make sure that it unhooks off the headlight. Just like that. If you have fog lights, you got to make sure you detach your fog lights. Okay? If not, you're not going to be able to get the bumper off. Alright guys, and there's our bumper. Alright, so basically the new bumper doesn't come with any new hardware, so all of these kind of things here you're going to need to take off. Unless you have like new stuff that you're going to be using, but more than likely you don't, and you're just going to be reusing the old pieces. Same goes for all of these pieces. You need to take all of these off too. Okay. This one's missing a screw, so we're going to need to get a replacement screw for that one. See how these are held together? On the new bumper, the aftermarket one, it came with different sets of screws, so we're not going to need those. We are going to need to take these pieces off, which I've never done before. I'm going to attempt to do this without breaking anything, and that was pretty easy actually. Just push back on these tabs, and then it kind of just pops out. Just like that. And there we go. Cool. So now that's pieces out. I bought black billet grill inserts for this, so we're gonna be putting these back in, but you're not actually gonna see these. But I figured it's better to have them back in than not put them back in. There we go. Okay, and then that piece is out of there. Make sure you take everything off of here. It should just pop out. It should just be pressure fit in there. Let me check if that piece is in there. It's not, so we're gonna take that piece out too. There we go. There's 2 tabs on the side, so you take your pliers and you basically just push like that, depress them, and then just push down on the top and they'll pop right out. Okay, so that's for our fog lights. So we got one fog light, just like that, and depress the 2 tabs like such, push down, just like that. Fog lights out. Just kind of line these up. That. All right, so like I said, now I just gotta line up my holes. So now what we need to do is we need to reinstall these bad boys right here. Now we're going to do our fog lights. With these fog lights, what you want to do is take just a standard screwdriver, and you know the perfect distance for your fog lights when it can fit in between perfectly without tapping anything. That's how you know it's good. There. Solid as a rock, baby. Again, do your measurement. See that? Too big. You don't want that. You want it to be tight. Almost. Perfect. Boomski. Alright guys, so APS is the company that makes the billet grill inserts. I have them on the to-go box, I have them on the Torch Penny, and now we're going to put them on this car. We have them on all three cars. Those two are billet silver, this is going to be billet black. So you have your grill like this. Essentially it's just going to come snap onto the front of the grill, and then on the back side, on the back of the plastic, you're going to take your little metal piece like this, put it over the top, put your nut over, and then you're basically just going to compress it against the plastic piece there. So let me show you what I'm talking about. My mom is here, guys. She's bringing junk for us to sell at the yard sale. Now what we're going to do is reinstall this bad boy. So what I like to do is just kind of get it close like this. Okay, close enough where you can kind of lean it, and then get in here and make your fog light connections. Okay, just like that. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna try to get it top here. Okay. We are done. How's it look?
It looks really good.
All right.
Yeah.
Got the bumper on eBay, or you can also get it at carparts.com. Lower lip, eBay. Billet grill, eBay. Paint, A+, Collision Center, Las Vegas, Nevada. Hopefully this video was helpful. Hopefully this video was entertaining. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified every time we put out a new video. And until next time, guys, see ya.